Hi, today I'm going to talking about the Textme SMS app. So here I'm already in my store and here is my app. So I just click the install and yeah, now we are redirected to the app. So here first we need to configure the SMS Textme SMS configurations. And so also here is an instruction that you can study and get the uh, login details and API details. So I'm just clicking on setup. So here we need to fill some data, like the first thing is username, token and phone number. So here I have already copied everything, and for the app name I'm copying this. Here the username is Textme Shopify and the phone number is I'm using the receive SMS phone number, and the token here we have paste it, and for sender ID you have to input the Textme app. Okay, so I have filled all the info and I'm just submitted. Now our setting has been saved, and also you can reset your account and you can change the API details. So now let's go to app dashboard. So in app dashboard you can see your total balance and API token status. So the token is valid until this date. So let's go to the SMS campaign first. So here is I have already created few SMS campaigns, so also you can create your own SMS campaign for your business. And I'm just click the create campaign, and here I'm writing the title is Merry Christmas 2025, and my SMS content will be hi. And here you can select the multiple variables, like the first name or the customer information, like I'm using the last name, hi. Merry Christmas 2025, you can get 50% discounts on items. Okay, so this is just the text SMS content. So here we have few options, like you can send these to everyone's, or you can also send for the specific segments, like here we have multiple segments, or you can create a multiple segments. So I'm just clicking on send to everyone, and also here is an option we have save as draft and schedule, or you can test as send test SMS. Let's first try to test our SMS whether it's working or not. So I just copy this phone number and paste it, just click this send test. Yep, the SMS has been sent successfully. Also we can see our SMS. Yep, hi Doi, Merry Christmas 2025, you can get 50% discount on items. Okay, so we received the SMS as well. So from here now we have tested as well, so I can just click the send campaign click button. So now the status is pending, so it will, what basically will do is it will do background process to send these SMS to all the customers that you have selected. And so that's it for the SMS campaign. So once the SMS campaign is completed, you can see the status completed. So after that we have some flows, like here we have customer flow, admin flow. All right, so first let's test for the customer flow. Also customer flow, here we can create a multiple flow, that here I have only a customer created is remaining, and customer create test flow. Also you can make it as a status directly active, and here we have a dummy template for this SMS. So I'm just creating it without changing it. So I will just click the create button. So after that we can see the customer create traced flow. So this is what basically will do is whenever the new customer is created in our store, the SMS will be sent to the customers, right? So this is the flow for the customer. And for admin, here we have multiple flows. Also I have already created few flows, and I'm selecting for the order create, and I will test the order create test flow, and I can change it to the active status. So once we create it, it will start working immediately. So here we have a template for the order create test flow SMS. I don't want to change anything. I'm just creating it directly. Just yep, the flow has been created, and also the live. So after that, let's go for the customers, and I'm creating customers, add customers, test customer flow. Here I'm using test12345 @gmail.com. So for the phone number that I'm using, this one. So we have to check the customer agreed to receive SMS marketing, because this is the consent for the customers, that once the customer has the proper consent, then we will able to send the SMS. So let's create the customer. Yep, the customer has been created with the phone number that we have provided. So let's go to here and let's update. So still there is no SMS. Maybe it will take some time. Yes, now we get the customer created, and there is in customer flow also there is in flow title and phone number, and the all these stuffs. You can easily customize these SMS format from the flow. So I'm not going to show you about the admin flow. This will work as similar as customer flow. Let's move to the OTP section, and this OTP section is basically only for the Shopify Plus users, so I'm not going to talking about it. And let's move to the next, restock request. So here we can see the those customer who do create a restock request, then we can see the request here. So for this we have to do few things in our store, like let's go to our themes, and here we have to edit the theme, and after that let's go to one of the products. So here I have selected this one, and let's select for the out of stocks. So here what we can do is, let's just add the blocks, and here we have app section, and here we can see the Textme stock notification. So whenever the product has been again restocked, it will notify the customers. So let's add the template. Yep, the template has been added. Let's save. Yep, we have successfully saved the themes. So now let's go to, I just close this one. Let's go to our store. So here now let's click on this product. So let's select the out of stock product. So here we can see the input box for the phone number and notify when available. So I'm just selecting the same phone number for the testing purpose. And here I'm entering this number and notify when available. Maybe we need to avoid 97 for the country code. Let's save it. Yes, the notification request sent successfully. Now what we need to do is also we can able to see the flow here. So maybe this will the restock SMS is complete. Let's refresh it again. Let's go to restock. Maybe this will be only count for the request sent. Okay, so now what I will do is I will go to the product section and try to find out the product. So maybe this one, and here we have access size. So here right now there is no available stock, so let's edit. I'm adding it 7, and also let's edit for this 8. Yep, now quantity has been already updated, so the SMS should be received by the customers. Maybe it will take few. Yep, we can see the restock inventory. Good news, the following product has been back in stock, so now user can able to order it. So that's it for the restock request. And also let's refresh the page for now. Maybe now we can see some request. Maybe still it's not updating, it will take some time. So yep, we have covered up the everything. So in here webhooks, we can see our webhooks that has been created for this store. And here we have customer flow, admin flow, OTP, restock, and webhooks. So the flow has been completed. So here we can see the log section. Here you can see the logs that has been sent to the customers, or Textme API log as well. So whatever the API sends to the any SMS to the phone number or any customer's phone number, that you can able to see here. You can also filter by the status. So here we have setting sections, like in setting sections that you can see your API details, or also here is an unsubscribe settings, like settings, confirmation phrase, and success phrase, right? And also we have plan section here. So we have plenty of variety of plans. So starter plan, growth plan, plus enterprises, custom. So you can choose, or you can subscribe whatever plan that you have suitable for your store, and you can start your SMS automation from now. Thank you.